Crazy, man. Low and Marion. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And y'all know I usually don't do no Saturday episodes. But today is a special Saturday. It's Kobe Day, Mamba Day, 8/24. Yesterday was his birthday, 8/23. So I had to show my boy some love. Today they dropped a Kobe Reserve situation on the Sneakers app, where you was able to purchase some of the sneakers that came out this year and last year, and I'm real happy for that. But before that, yesterday the Halo joints came out, high top white joints and low top for the kids. I didn't cop because I still have the What the Kobe joints that came out years ago, and this gives me the all white vibes. Even though it's colorful, it gives me that same like kind of situation. But these here, the reverse Grinches, restocked today. Give me a thumbs up if you was able to cop. I think it was 2,000 pairs, so I know a lot of us didn't get it. But the reverse Grinches came back out in that Kobe Reserve today. And the more I look at these, the more I start to like these as much as I like the original. Also, you got a chance to get that gift from Mamba tee that came out around the holidays last year. Mine is here, still dead stock. Along with the sneakers. I like those sneakers as a basketball sneaker. I really wasn't feeling it as a lifestyle. But quality A1 on the gift from Mamba sneakers. But there you go there. And of course the iconic Lakers Mamba jerseys that they won the championship in a bubble a couple years ago. That's been a while now, like 2020. And what else was you able to get? I think the girl dads was up there. I think the Halos even was up there too. But I just wanted to make a video to see what did y'all cop. Was y'all able to be lucky? I only seen a few got-ems. I ain't seen too many got-ems. But Kobe, man, Kobe means a lot to me, man. So I just had to come up here, do a quick video, and I want to introduce y'all to this clothing line called BogeyCon. Yes, sir. I think it's called BogeyCon. BOGICAN. And I got this Kobe shirt from them, man. The materials A1, guys. A1. The graphic is dope. I really like this shirt, so I just wanted to shout them out. And while I'm shouting them out, let me show y'all a few of my Kobe shirts. This one here was made by Blue the Great. Y'all know Blue the Great. He had a Jordan 1 mid a couple years ago, colorful joint. He's an artist from LA, very dope. You got the 8 Halo right there. This is fire, man. I really like this look. Yeah, man, I really like this shirt, guys. It's like when I talk about Kobe, I just get so emotional, man. But this one here is from Blue the Great. This is a classic one, straight from Nike, showing an x-ray of Kobe hands with all the injuries with the 5 rings. This is a classic one from Nike. And this is another one from Nike. This is when he scored 61 at the Garden, I believe. And while we on shirts, I should have led with this, right? But it is Mamba Day, so I couldn't leave with it. Supreme box logo, photo tee of the year. And we have my guy Tyler, the Creator. I went with the red colorway because I think red blends with the green a lot, and I seen a lot of green in the picture, but really only the box logo is green. But here's the Tyler Creator Supreme Tee, photo tee box logo joint here. Great material. Looks true to size, not that droopy. Sometimes Supreme get on their droopy action. This one feels great, man. The material looks great and feels great. Get an up close on the picture. See, you got Tyler, green box logo. Yeah, I forgot all about this, guys. Let's check out the stickers. So now you get the green and the red, which is dope. And this was the board I seen. Yes, sir. I don't want to interrupt your Saturday, man, but it is Mamba Saturday, Kobe Day, whatever you want to call it. I just want to check in with all the Kobe fans, man. And his legacy is gonna live on forever, and that's the great thing, man. But whenever I think of him and Gigi, tragically, like it just get me sad, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching, everybody. Get rich.
And then